So ano nga ba ang gagawin natin when someone's obviously struggling? My first tip, and this is a big one, chill lang muna. Seriously, wag agad tayo mag-jump in with solutions. Minsan kasi ang kailangan lang talaga nila ay mag-vent. Let them release all that emotions. Hayaan mo lang sila maglabas ng sama ng loob. And this is where empathy comes in. Just showing them you understand or trying to understand can make a huge difference. Mga bagay tulad ng mukhang mahirap nga yan or I can see why you are feeling that way. Validation is key. Napaka-importante na iparamdam natin sa kanila na naiintindihan natin sila. Just letting them know you get it helps them start to feel more safe and secure. You know, sometimes just a simple I'm here for you is enough. Minsan yan lang talaga ang kailangan nila. Remember, a little kindness goes a long way. Spread love and good vibes.